What's up, tubesters and two bets? Y'all see it. Project Rip. Y'all know we on the Bulges. Free lady working. Ooh, look how that thing tucking back there. Look how that thing tucking back there. What's it look like in here? Y'all know it's a bloody situation going on. Around here say, get you some.
Yeah.
Do it light up?
That car away if you don't.
You know? Well, throw the whole damn car away.
Get it, Jeff.
Boy, she clean. Custom rear deck. The interior swap. Get the bugs out of her. Get the bugs out of that 69. She clean, boy. She clean, boy. What y'all think about that 69, man? Let me know what y'all think about that 69. Get an LS in it. I built some custom door panels for it. Got the heartbeat. It's nice and clean, man. Ain't no brush. We did 22 by 12s on the back. 22 by 12s with an 8-inch lip. So we had to concave that thing, set it off. Then we narrowed the rear end, I think 2.5 inches on each side. Get them tucked up under there. Their uppers, lowers, control arms. Disc brakes all the way around it. Just nice and clean, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Comment, subscribe, show your boys some love, man. We'll be back with Project Grip in a minute. Yeah.